In primetime news this evening, alarm over the number of fatal incidents involving the police. Government promises greater protection for financial sector investors. And a fresh concern about extortion in downtown Kingston.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. A little later on, we'll have the financial week.
And before that, we will have sports, and Spencer Darlington is here with a preview.
Thank you very much, Giovanni. Well, the West Indies have beaten England and they've taken a 1-0 lead in their one-day international series. We'll give you the details on that and more in Primetime Sports later.
And Gio, we got some rain today.
And more for the weekend, I gather.
Romain is also here with what's to come in the weather report. Romain?
Thanks, Kalisha. Now, things get a bit interesting this weekend. We do have an area of low pressure that is in the southwestern Caribbean that we're closely monitoring for tropical cyclone development over the next few days, and it is likely to be moving very close to the island if this occurs sometime on Monday.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the spate of fatal police shootings?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.